Okay, today's fun time adventure is this large Norway maple, and the idea is to get that into the back of that. So we're removing this tree here because of this frost crack here. As well, it's got another crack in there. One of the main leaders is cracked. This is otherwise known as sun scalding. Generally happens on the south or west side of the tree that's most exposed to the sun, as the basically happens through temperature change. You'll have it more common in trees that have thin bark. I guess Norway maples are somewhat susceptible to it. Generally as well happens in places that have winter or really cold season, and you'll have the temperature change. What happens is the outside of the tree, the moisture will freeze overnight, and the sun thaws it during the day. So there's an expansion of the moisture taking place, and that'll sometimes crack the bark. It sometimes can get quite bad, and as we see here, so that's no longer safe. As you can see there, that the top there, the main union's totally exposed, and for now it's sound wood, but that will continue to decay, and it doesn't look like this will heal over. The tree doesn't have the capacity to regenerate its hardwood. It doesn't create new cells, new tissue inside, just on the outer layer. So once decay and rot sets in, the weakness stays, even if it heals over. So, and this is a pretty large tree in a really tight spot. So for safety, we're going to take it down. Okay, watch yourself, Rye.
Oh, I didn't even feel that.
she was like, fine. Like they're like, when you can see somebody handle those trunks and lower them with, you know,
yeah, we use what's called a friction device.
Yeah, I saw that.
So that also helps us lift. We have to lift a couple pieces. You'll see it in the video.
It also looks pretty professional. Like it gives a lot of confidence to the family, the homeowners. You know, like their property's going to be okay.
Exactly.
Yeah, no,
we
I
did pretty good.
Great.
We did pretty good. I think that crack was the only.
You did great.
There's the odd little scratch there. The rain might wash away. Yeah, Nick. Yeah, we did our best. Your eavesdrop's even good too. So
I know.
I'm gonna get up there and I'm gonna clean your roof. So.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
Well, it worked out.
Totally worked out.
Want us to pull it?
Nope. Watch your hand, just watch your hand. We're good. We're good. Oh, okay, that was lovely. That was lovely. Oh, hold on. Yeah. Oh, what?
You got her. You got her. Nice.
Beautiful. Oh, beautiful. All right, Tom, we're good.
Take two.
Take two.
Take two. Action.
Action and more elbow, more elbow.
Forever. The log is your long lost father.